In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a page up or down in Word. If you're rearranging a document in Word and need to swap pages around, moving a page up or down, you might be surprised to find that it isn't a direct drag and drop page button. But don't worry, there are 3 super easy ways to reorder your pages without breaking your formatting. So let's look at the absolute easiest way first, and that's by using headings. If your pages use heading styles like 1 or 2 for titles, you can go up to the top menu ribbon and select View. And in the show group, which is right here, just click on headings. And in the show group, check the box next to the navigation panel located here. A panel will open on the left as soon as you click it, then click on headings. Find the heading of the page that you want to move, and then just click with your left mouse on it and drag it up or down like this to the new position. And Word will automatically move that entire page and all of its content to the new spot. And now, if your pages don't use heading styles, the fastest method is the cut and paste clipboard shortcut. Scroll to the page that you want to move and highlight all of the text, tables, and images in that page like this. And then press Ctrl X. Then guys, scroll to the exact location where you want that page to go, either above or below another page, and then you can just place your cursor right at the beginning of the line where you want to insert it, and then press Ctrl V to paste it. Pretty easy. If needed, you can also hit Ctrl Enter to drop in a clean page break. And a pro tip here, if you also rearrange large documents using Word's outline view, if you go to the top menu, go to the View tab again and click Outline. This converts your document into a high-level text outline, and you can click the plus icon next to the section or page title that you want to move and use the up and down arrows on top ribbon to shift the entire page up or down. Pretty easy, but there is 3 working ways to move a page up or down without breaking your entire document. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.